All right, I'm still here at the Visitor Center in North Carolina, right off of I-40. And as you can see, the snow is really blowing here. I think we probably had gusts in the 30 to 40 mile an hour range. But the bigger problem is the fact that the roads are already slushy. So it's already very slick travel. There's already accumulations in the grass. And as I showed you earlier, there's tree damage as well. That actually happened before the snow even started falling. So that's just from the winds whipping. So conditions are only going to deteriorate until about daybreak, where the snow should lighten up. But the winds are still going to be blasting through really tomorrow afternoon. Winter storm warning is in effect here in Haywood County. I couldn't tell you exactly what time it ended. Probably should have looked that up beforehand. But again, as you can see here, already tree damage, and the wind is really blowing. It's almost like we're in a snow globe here. So that's your update from Haywood County. Might head south a little bit on I-40. I guess it's technically eastbound towards Waynesville and the Maggie Valley area. But I'll keep you updated on accumulation totals and things like that, as we still have multiple hours left of this system. See the issue. This is not a road. Alright, good thing four-wheel drive works, because that was not a road. That was grass, I do think. The sun has finally come up here in western North Carolina. I am still at the Haywood County rest stop here off of I-40, but as you can see, turned out pretty good here total wise. It'd be interesting to see how the interstates look now that there's actually some sunlight to actually see what's happening. There's still some snow here. The wind though is really the bigger issue right now. Not really the volume of snow, but the fact that it's just hitting you in the side of the face. Hurts a little bit more than the actual snow itself. But I think I'm gonna get the drone up here in a second. Maybe if it'll actually stop snowing, because I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to see right now with the current conditions. But I'm gonna try to get the drone up here sooner than later and get some video of that and put it on as soon as I get it downloaded and all. So luckily we're good. I'll probably head back home here after I get the drone footage, because it'll probably take me about 4 hours just to get back due to the conditions. But I appreciate you sticking through this one with me, and you know, sharing the things I've posted and all that. So once again, I do appreciate it, and yeah, get that drone footage out as soon as I can.